In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock rows in Smartsheet. If you've ever tried to edit a row and found that nothing would change, that row was probably locked. Locking is a simple way teams keep critical information from being changed by accident. Unlocking it is just as simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly. First, open your project sheet and locate the specific row that's currently locked. You can usually spot a locked row by a small padlock icon near the row number, or by the fact that you can't click into its cells to make edits. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct row, so you don't unlock the wrong item, especially if your sheet has many similar entries. Next, move your mouse to hover over that row. Aim for the far left area where the row number appears, or anywhere along the row, so the selection highlights. Hovering helps make sure the action you take applies to this row and not a neighboring one. Now, right-click on the row to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, use a two-finger click or the equivalent right-click gesture for your device. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Unlock Row and select it. That's the whole action. Smartsheet will immediately remove the lock, and you should see the padlock icon disappear. At that point, the cells in that row become fully editable again. Smartsheet saves changes automatically, but it's still a good habit to pause and confirm your edits appear as expected. If you don't see the unlock row option, or it's grayed out, that typically means you don't have the necessary permissions. In Smartsheet, only the sheet owner and admins, and sometimes the person who locked the row, can unlock it. If that's the case for you, reach out to your sheet owner or an admin to request access. After unlocking, proceed carefully. Because the row is now open to edits, consider double-checking formulas, drop-down selections, and dates before saving larger changes. For transparency with your team, it can also be helpful to leave a brief comment explaining why you unlocked the row and what you updated, especially on shared, high-impact sheets. And if you unlock a row during a working session, plan your changes so you minimize the time it stays unlocked. And that's it. Locate the locked row on your project sheet, hover to target it, right-click, and choose Unlock Row. With that quick move, you're back in control and ready to make the updates your project needs.